Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So today is our last day in Toronto and we are going to Toronto Zoo. Before that, we are going to have some breakfast. We left home around 9:30. I just fed Annie her Cerelac and we left. So we will be having our breakfast first. There is an Indian restaurant called Quality where we used to eat whenever we come to Toronto. We actually like their chole bhature and dosa. So that's our regular menu we eat there. And today also we are gonna order chole bhature and masala dosa with a sweet lassi. Our menu is already decided from here. Now we are done with the breakfast and we are heading towards the zoo. We have packed some gobi paratha and aloo paratha with us. We're not sure whether we can find anything to eat there or not, so it's better to have other options also. So we have packed some parathas with us. And now we are at the zoo. They gave us a map of the zoo. It has so many sections like Africa, Indonesia, Australia, America. So even with the map, it's a bit confusing. So here the lady is guiding us from where to start. Okay, now enjoy the zoo with us. See some beautiful birds and some adorable animals of different countries. ହାତରେ ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ଜୁମ୍ କଲେ and we have now finished seeing every region. My daughter also enjoyed a lot by seeing the beautiful birds and animals. And now it's 5 p.m. and we are having our lunch here. We bought this as a souvenir of the zoo, and here we can write any name, and I will write Anaya's name here. She cried a lot and finally she is sleeping now. We are heading back to Kitchener to our friend's house. We have a dinner plan there. नाम से तो इंडियन नहीं लग रहा. And this is all for today. Thank you everyone for watching my video, and if you like it, please give a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon also. Till then, bye bye, and tune in for my next video.